It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, birds. Morning, sheep. Honk is going to fly his kite today. Yippee! Thinks Honk. I love kites. Here's Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Honk, calls Swo Swoosh. Did you remember the kite? Oh, yes, smiles Honk. It's right here. Don't make so much wind, blinks Honk. There's Toot the boat. Good morning, Toot, calls Honk. Good morning, calls Toot. The wind is just right for flying your kite. I'll help you get the kite in the air, calls Swo Swoosh. But Honk, where is the kite? Says Toot. It's right there, says Honk, on my seat. Honk, I thought you said you had the kite, complained Swo Swoosh. It was right here, I promise, says Honk. Where can it be? Maybe the kite fell out when you were driving, says Toot. Let's all help look for it. I'll see if it blew into the water. I'll see if I can find it from up in the air, announces Swo Swoosh. I'll look on the land, calls Honk. Oh, I do hope we find it, thinks Honk. Maybe the kite blew all the way to the top of the cloud, thinks Swo Swoosh. I don't see the kite floating on the water, thinks Toot. Good morning. Did anyone see my kite? This is where Honk had a bump and where Swo Swoosh made so much wind. Hello, ducks, honks Honk. I think my kite fell into the river. Please look under the bridge for me.
Sorry, there is no kite under the bridge,
quacks Mother Duck. Any luck? Calls Honk. My kite is lost forever, says a very sad little Honk. Think I'll go home now. Hey, stop! Shouts Swo Swoosh. Sometimes we find what we're looking for only when we stop looking, chuckles Toot. Yippee! Kite flying time! Have a lovely day, everybody! Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoo Swoosh. See you next time. It's a foggy day in Springland. The fog makes it very difficult to see anyone. There's Toot the boat. There's Wally the whale. Is that you, Wally? Asked Toot.
Yes, it's me.
Says Wally the whale. I think today is the darkest, foggiest day ever in Springland, says Toot. Who can this be? Could it be? Yes, it's Swoo Swoosh the helicopter. Swoo Swoosh and Honk are going to the harbor today. Oh dear, thinks Swoo Swoosh. How am I going to find Honk? Who can this be? It's Honk the car. What thick fog, thinks Honk. I hope Swoo Swoosh doesn't get lost. Uh-oh, thinks Swoo Swoosh. Am I going up or am I going down? Above the cloud, it is nice and sunny. Yippee! Shouts Swoo Swoosh. At last I can see! Hello, clouds! Hello, sun! I do hope Honk and Swoo Swoosh find their way in this fog, worries Toot. Honk knows that sound. It is Toot's foghorn. Yes, he is going the right way. The sign tells Honk this is the road to the harbor. Hello? Can anybody hear me down there? Hello? Shouts Swoo Swoosh. Is that you, Swoo Swoosh? Calls Honk. Hello? Can you hear me? Yes, Honk. I'm up in the cloud. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Can you help me? Honk knew just how to help Swoo Swoosh find the way. Follow the sound of my horn, Swoo Swoosh, calls Honk. I will lead you to the harbor. Hello, Toot, calls Honk. There you are, calls a relieved Toot. Where's Swoo Swoosh? I'm up here, Toot, calls Swoo Swoosh. I can hear you, but I can't see you. Come down nice and slowly, Swoo Swoosh, calls Toot. Okay, ready, steady. But I still can't see where I'm going. Help! Hey, I'm over here, calls Swoo Swoosh. Thanks for saving me, Wally the whale. Thanks for using your horn and leading the way, Honk, says Swoo Swoosh. Sunshine at last. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoo Swoosh. See you next time.